how to add Instagram story with your sound. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first thing first, you need to go to the Instagram. Once you are there, just tap on this plus icon. Now just tap on allow, keep allow. Now go to the story section. Now tap on story, just record it. For example, I'm doing just like this. Now once you are there, make sure you are on this sticker where I'm showing the, just tap on this. So just tap on this sticker. Now you will see here the music. Now you need to add music. So you can see I have added the music. So but this is the way you can add in story to your videos. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like my channel.